Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make waffle in GAG easy method. Preheat your iron, mix batter gently, and pour immediately into the hot grid. Measure ingredients for consistent texture and avoid overmixing to keep waffles fluffy. Cook each waffle until steam slows and edges look crisp. Use a fork to lift carefully and serve hot with toppings. Practice once or twice and you will improve quickly. Start by combining dry ingredients in a bowl and whisking them to blend evenly. In a separate bowl, whisk eggs, milk, and melted butter, then gently fold the wet mix into the dry until just combined. Avoid overmixing to keep airy pockets in the waffle. If the batter is too thick, thin with a splash of milk. Let batter rest a few minutes while the iron reaches cooking temperature for best results. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like, as it really helps the channel grow and keeps new tips coming. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which offers voice control and effortless maintenance, a handy household time saver for cooks. Check the description for the link and other deals. Then now let's get back to the video. This ad keeps things short so we can continue cooking. When the iron is ready, pour a measured scoop of batter and close the lid without pressing down. Let the waffle cook fully. Resistance and steam reduction signal readiness. If your iron has a light or sound, use it to time perfectly. Remove waffles gently with a fork or tongs and transfer to a wire rack to keep them crisp. Serve immediately with toppings of choice for peak texture and flavor enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.